Hello everyone, myself Devi Priya D, Department of Agriculture Engineering. I am today here to present a CLT video about artificial intelligence in agriculture. Let us see about artificial intelligence in introduction. According to UN Food and Agriculture Organization, the population will increase by 5 billion by 2050. However, only fourth they will become under cultivation by then. In this context, use of latest technological solutions to make farming more efficient remains one of the greatest imperatives. While artificial intelligence sees a lot of direct application across sectors, it can also bring a paradigmic shift in how we see farming today. In this presentation, shall we discuss about artificial intelligence can change the agriculture landscape and the application of drone-based image processing techniques, the future of the agriculture. Then coming into an immediate part, the emergence of new technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, like cloud machine learning, satellite imagery, and advanced analyticals are creating an ecosystem for smart farming. Fusion of all this technology is enabling farmers achieve higher average yield and better price control. Technology can also be used to identify optical sowing period and historic climatic data, real-time moisture adequacy data from daily rainfall and soil moisture to build predictability and provide inputs to farmer on ideal sowing time. To identify potential pest attacks, Microsoft in collaboration with United Phosphorus Limited is building a pest risk prediction API that leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to indicate in advance the risk of pest attack based on the weather condition and crop growth stage. Pest attacks are predicted as high, low and medium. Now let us discuss about how robots are helping in digital farming. Mobile field robots and sensors with a multispectral camera and laser scanner which helps to measurement of plants geometry and non-visible radiations. With computer vision and machine learning algorithm, it gives a recommendation engine and a decision support system. With all together, it gives precision farming plus higher yield plus better quality plus less resources. Now let us discuss about how drones are helping in artificial intelligence of agriculture. Drones based solution in agriculture have a lot of significance in terms of managing adverse weather conditions and productivity gains, precision farming and yield management. Before the crop cycle, drone can be used to produce a 3D field map of detailed terrain, drainage, soil viability and irrigation. Nitrogen level management can also be done by drone solutions, and then aerial spraying of pots with the seeds and plant nutrition into the soil provides necessary supplements for plants. Apart from that, drones can be programmed to spray liquids of modulating distance from the ground depending on the terrain. I like to conclude that the future of farming depends largely on adaptation of cognitive solutions, while a large-scale research is still in progress and some applications are already available in the market. The industry is still highly underserved when it comes to handling realistic challenges faced by farmers and using autonomous decision making and predictive solutions to solve them. Farming is still at a nascent stage. In order to explore the enormous scope of artificial intelligence in agriculture, applications need to be more robust. Only then will it be able to handle frequent changes in external conditions, facilitate real time decision making. Thank you.